You may have been down the Blackstone road. We definitely went there, and oh boy, did we love our Blackstone until we hated our Blackstone, because the cooking surface takes so much maintenance on the Blackstone that it is not worth having it anymore. This is uniquely different. This is from Freedom Stoves, and this has a treatment on it so that it is very low maintenance and easy to live with. I'll include a clip here of how easy it was to put together. It really came fully assembled for the most part. While you watch the ultra simple construction, let me tell you a little bit more about this Freedom Stove 22-inch ceramic coated griddle top. It's propane. It's propane powered, so you could use either those small 1-pound bottles. You could also hook it up directly to the RV's gas supply, or you could use a big 20-pound adapter for one of those conventional bottles. All right, it's out here and it is time to cook. We have assembled it. Here, I just wanted to point out, was a really cool value add. It comes with this really nice cover, which is not only nice looking, it is so water repellent. I'll include the B-roll so you can see we came out, we weren't planning on anything, came out and boom, it was just covered in drips of water. So how about this? I thought this was a total non-issue, just nice to have a cover, but look how water repellent this is. We happen to have one of those crazy storms here in Florida with water going sideways, and I just was so impressed with this, I thought I'd come back and share it with you. I wish this would have come out at a 90-degree angle instead of this straight. I'm going to get an adapter that goes at a 90-degree angle. My recommendation personally to Freedom Stoves is I would alter that, but what we're going to do now is we're going to do a cook. Actually, Nikki's going to do a cook. She makes amazing fajitas. She has this recipe that she invented when we had the Blackstone that is like absolutely crazy amazing. And so I'm going to put her to work on this, and then she's going to put me to work cleaning it, and I'm going to come back. I'm going to let you know if it was actually as easy to clean as it's supposed to be, because that's really important. That's the big value add here. So what do you say we go cook some fajitas and see how they come out? I know it's my wife's cooking and I love it, but if you don't add fajitas to your cook, if you get one of these griddles, you're really missing out on something. Absolutely do that. So Nikki finished up her cook. The clean should be basically a 3-step process. First, let's scrape off the debris. Ooh, that's going pretty good, I gotta say. Step 2, let's add a little water. We got still a hot surface. Ooh, look at that. This is way better than Blackstone World. If you could see how much scrubbing those Blackstones require, it is wild. Let me get a clean cloth. All right, now we're just going to do a quick little season, which is really, we're going to take the hot griddle, cover it with like a nice little coating of oil so it is all protected and ready to go the next time. I have to say, I'm going to say, this is so much better than Blackstone land. So much better. If I could tell you how long it took me to clean that Blackstone griddle, and then it would still rust and look disgusting and be terrible. That is phenomenal. Absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.